On this episode of Broken and Smoking, I've got the step kids out here cleaning up, while me and my kids tried to get this cranked on this stand. People tell me it can't be done, but I'm going to show my kids I believe I can do it. Stay tuned. Welcome to Broken and Smoking. So the ex-wife's inside cooking. I'm going to teach you and the girls how we're going to try to get this old girl to crank up on this here stand. People say you can't do it. I can't find nothing to say that you can either. But I've got an idea that I think might work while trying to show my daughter, that is, by the way, running this here camera, if we can get it pulled off or not. So the story behind this engine is just a marketplace find, you know, cheap, had to have it, yada, yada, yada. So I went and picked it up. Guy said it's been sitting 20 plus years. It's not froze, it's not locked up. And he pretty well took pretty good care of closing off all the openings, you know, making sure all the mice don't get in, this and that. So the first step I'm gonna do is get rid of all this extra junk. All right, we got most of the majority of the bull crap off the engine. Now we're gonna attempt to remove the transmission. After a few choice words later, I finally got this thing off her. What does that do? It has been sitting a while. The mice has done made it a hotel. They even got some built-in poison there. Guess we better check the oil in it. It's got enough. It's a Ford. It ain't like it's gonna run long anyways. That works. So, guess the next step would be, let's go through these wires here. We'll go pull this off, pull it off, backtrack, get right to here, pull them out. We don't need that no more where we're going. Because where we're going is HEI. You can see nobody puts a Ford in a Chevrolet, but they're putting Chevrolets in a Ford. Here we are. Why put a distributor in the front where the rain can get to it? Does anybody have any ideas how to take a distributor out of a Ford? Come and look at this. If anybody has any ideas, comment them. I want to hear it. I'm no Ford man. So I'd like to know how you remove a distributor out of a Ford engine.